Ready to measure for your MirrorMate frame? Don't worry, it's super simple. There are just 3 steps that we will walk you through. All you need is a tape measure. We have a measuring worksheet on our website if you want to write down your measurements as you go, or you can enter them directly in through the checkout process, which will walk you through each of these steps in turn. Step 1 is to measure the width and height of the mirror. For all measurements, be sure to measure to the nearest 1/8 inch, and if it's between measurements, round down. Step 2, measure the distance from the edge of the mirror to the nearest walls, outlet, backsplash, or light fixture. If your mirror has more than 1 inch on the top and the sides, you can simply enter a 1 on the form. If you have less than 1 inch, enter the exact measurement. Many mirrors sit right on the backsplash. When this occurs, enter 0 on the form. Finally, does your mirror have clips or a metal strip? No problem. The recess in our patented design is made specifically to go right over these. And that's it. Now you're ready to place your order.